You guys, let's make black soup with available ingredients. I was craving for it and I don't have the complete ingredients, but I have substitutes. Let's try and see how it will come out. Over here I have my oxtail. I'm gonna add it there. Add some onions. Seasoning cube. And some salt. Gonna on my heat. Stir and allow it to cook. I will not add water now. I'm gonna allow it to steam a bit before adding water. Let's check on the oxtail. It's been cooking for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to add other proteins, some goat meat and small stock fish. And I have some mackerel fish in there. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook. Now I'm going to remove the fish and allow others to keep cooking. Now I'm going to add my cooked cow foot. Cover and allow it to cook. Now I'm going to dissolve my palm fruit concentrate. This is the one I'm using. I'm gonna transfer it here and add hot water. Now I'm going to allow it to dissolve and settle, because I don't want to transfer sand in my soup. Now let's add the palm fruit concentrate. It has settled. I'm going to gently add it. You see the sand? No, you don't want that. That is why it's good to allow it to settle before you add it. I'm gonna stir, 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 cover. Now it's time to blend our leaves, vegetable. I'm using bitter leaf and scent leaf. Normally it's supposed to be bitter leaf, scent leaf and uziza leaf. I don't have fresh uziza leaf. I'm gonna use dry one. So here, add the scent leaf like so. Add a little bit of uziza seed, not too much. Then this is my catfish. I'm gonna blend it in there. Some onions and peppers. I'm gonna add water and blend it until smooth. After blending, this is what we have. Look at that. I'm going to transfer it here. First I will add catfish. Then transfer the goodness, you guys. This is goodness, pure goodness in here. Rinse it and add. I'm gonna stir it, you guys. This is pure goodness. So it has thickened already. Ready. I'm gonna add my crayfish, stir, cover, and allow to cook. You guys have to allow it to cook for at least 6 minutes. And I'm gonna cover. You guys, let's check on our soup. Look at that. It's popping. Oh my goodness. It's popping everywhere. Now stir. This is, you guys, this is real goodness. Real goodness. And I'm gonna add my fish. This is grilled mackerel fish and boiled one. Then more crayfish. Add that crayfish, makes it so good, so delicious. Oh. Do you like your black soup this thick, or you like it light? Me, I don't want to swim. I like it. I like it like this. This consistency is perfect. Now I'm going to allow it to simmer for another 3 minutes and we are done. It's popping everywhere. You guys, our soup is ready. Gonna off the heat. Oh wow. Off the heat, off it. Now look at that. Giving 10 over 10 minus nothing. Black soup. This is my own version of black soup. It's so good, guys. Really good.